stay so little nigga. Yeah, talking that shit, little nigga, don't get stuck. Beat a bitch down there and leave it, that's a risk cut. We gon' take it from you, so you better keep that shit tucked.
What's up, y'all? I'm not gonna do the intro because I'm literally grocery shopping right now. Like, look how much. Let's just be like $200.
Bruh.
We're literally doing a cooking with Nine series again. I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to make. So if you guys want more videos like this, make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe to some more videos you're gonna and hit the like button if you guys want more videos like this. I'm literally gonna like stop recording now. When you have bad anxiety, do not record in public. Like, that's how I'm feeling right now. Like, I'm by myself. But I'm back. This did not work out right. Here is your host, Chef Noyo. We're back in the kitchen.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so today we are making pasta. And low-key I'm excited because one, we're doing this that way because I don't know what I'm doing. And two, we're putting a little twist on it. So let's get started. You low-key gonna need a bowl. Make sure it's washed because we don't do dirty dishes around here. Speaking of dishes, we don't have to do those today. Kind of. But put it on. Give it like a full effect for the water. I'm not sure how much you're supposed to put in here, but it's the first time for everything, right? Alright, we read the instructions. So put it on low. We're gonna put it on 2, and we're gonna let the water boil. And make sure you put where's the salt? Make sure you put salt in your water because if you don't put salt in your water, you're gonna be left with a sticky situation. Don't put too much salt like I did. I didn't know how much. Okay, so we put the salt in the water and we're gonna let it boil. Now I'm not sure how long we're supposed to boil the pasta water for, but I got some fun facts. Did you know that squirrels like nuts?
Really, nigga?
Oh yeah, fun fact, I don't like chocolate. Call me weird all you want. I don't like chocolate. You would never catch me eating something chocolate unless it's Oreos or Chips Ahoy soft cookies. That and Red Velvet. I don't know if that counts as chocolate. Let's check on the pasta though. Hot enough? Back to the fun facts because the water's not boiled enough yet. I'm not sure how long this is supposed to boil for. Did you know zebras are horses?
Bruh.
Did you also know that there's like a billion of thousands of people on this planet?
Nope.
Oh, did you know I can bake? If you guys want to bake like a baking video, get this to like 6 likes and I'll do it for y'all. I may not do it in time, but I'll low-key do something for y'all in the kitchen. You know what I'm saying? What else is a fun fact? Oh, a lot of people don't know this. I'm a twin. I may not look like one, but go back to the like 3 years ago videos. You'll see my twin there. She's only been on the channel like one time. Ooh, looks like it smells like it's boiled. Ooh, okay, it's getting hot. It's getting hot in here. So take off all your clothes. Get into it. Take my clothes off. Okay. Okay, we're getting somewhere. It's steaming, guys. It's steaming. It's very much steaming. I'll be back once we figure out how long this needs to be boiled for. So I think it's boiled. Kind of. I don't know if steaming is like, you know, considered boiled. And I'm low-key not a patient person. Oh, by the way, this is sausage pasta. So usually this is cooked for like 3 to 4 minutes. So this doesn't really take too much time. And I guess we're just gonna dump it in there. You know, just dump it in there. Don't dump it in like this. Please don't do what I just did. Don't dump it like that. In the meantime, we have garlic bread, and we're gonna make that homemade. So I'm gonna teach y'all boys how to make it the Naya way. All right, first things first. Get you a paper plate, and make sure your hands are clean. Excuse me while I wash my hands. All right, we washed your hands. We're low-key gonna use this bread. Now I was gonna be mad like cheap and just get like garlic bread, but the store I went to they didn't have any, or where I looked at they didn't have any. So we're gonna make garlic bread myself. We're gonna use 2 of these. Alright. It's fresh too. Y'all need to shop at Aldi's. Not gonna lie, Aldi's got the best shit. Alright. Ooh, pardon me, excuse me, sorry. Don't want to run this. Alright, next step. Get your butter. Doesn't matter what kind. No, not really. But, oh. You know, just spread the butter. How long this butter has been in here? Because I low-key do not like the texture of this. Yeah, let me melt the butter and yeah, because I low-key do not like using coffee. Guess what I found? If you guys watched the last video, I've messed up the waffles. Somebody in this house is gonna get it. Alright, if you want to melt your butter, that's fine. Honestly, I'm saving time because I low-key it's hot. Alright, don't pour it, because that was okay. Amateur. Alright, let me just, oops. We're gonna repeat this step because I thought I had another one for the other one. I did not. Oh god. Put that bad boy in there for 30 seconds and then you're Gucci. Let's check it. I think it's about done, but you know, trust your gut sometimes. Okay, the butter is done, and now we're gonna do the same thing like I did before. Just dump it because it's hot, way too hot. A pretty presentation. And if you want to put garlic salt on it, you can. I might, but I might not. I might not forget. I might forget. Not gonna lie. Oops. Alright, the pasta is about done though. So if you know how to do pasta, you know you gotta drain it out. So we're gonna drain it out and put the, you know, the classic marinara. We don't do white sauce over here. If you do that, it's to cut off because I can't eat white sauce anymore. But yeah, once that's done, we should be good to go to eat it. Bon appetit! And literally, this is basic. You could cook this any day. I'm gonna give this 8 out of 10. Okay, 8 out of 10. Like I said, if this video gets up to like 6 likes, that means y'all want to cook it. Y'all want a baking Naya. So 6 likes, I got y'all. I'm going to finish eating this though. So you guys haven't already subscribed to the channel? Subscribe. If you're not subscribed, you're missing out. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, toodles!